Atma Malik, good afternoon. Today is the student representing the different colors. They are students of first standards in Atma Malik English Medium Gurukul and Junior College, Kokam Than. Yellow, pink, white, 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 pink, yellow, pink, yellow, white, pink, yellow, white. Okay, thank you and Atma Malik.